Good morning, children. This is a math third chapter, addition and subtraction up to 100. ADDITION, addition and subtraction, SUBTRACTION, subtraction up to 100. Children, you have to write the spelling of addition in your classwork 3 times. ADDITION, addition. ADDITION, addition, and subtraction also you have to write 3 times. SUBTRACTION, subtraction. SUBTRACTION, subtraction. You have to write addition and symbol also. Okay, children? ADDITION, addition, you have to write this symbol 3 times. And also SUBTRACTION, subtraction, you have to write dash, you have to write symbol of subtraction also 3 times. Okay, children, are you understood? Now here some warm up exercise here. ACROSS, across. Across means like addanga. Okay. DOW, down means like this. Here first one, 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9? 39. 39, 39 you have to write. Down, 39 minus 4. 39 minus 4? 35. 35, 35. Okay. Second one, 19 minus 7. 19 minus 7. You can cut 7 from 19. 7 from 19. 19 minus 7, 12. Okay. 3. Down. 11 minus 9. 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9, 20. 2, 0, 20. Okay, children? Like this, you have to complete all the puzzle. Are you understood, children? Okay. Next, we are going to do the addition. T means what, children? Tell me. Already we learned. T means tens, O means ones. T means tens, O means ones. 2, 3, 23. In 23, 2 is the tens place, 3 is the ones place. Okay. 2, 3, 23 plus 5. 2, 3, 23 plus 5. 3 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 3 after. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 you have to write down. Okay. Is there any down number to add? No. That's why you have to write directly this number down. Okay, children. 2, 8, 28. 23 plus 5. 2, 8, 23. Okay. Like this. First add ones and tens. 23 plus 5. In 23, 2 tens. That's why 2 is the tens place. 3 is the ones place. 3 ones. That's why 3 is the ones place. T means tens, O means ones. Okay. In 23, 2 tens, 3 ones. Okay, children. Plus only, what is the number here? 5. 5 only single digit number. No. That's why 5 means 5 ones. 5 means 5 ones. 3 plus 5. 8. 2. Here 2 tens, 8, 28. 2 tens plus 8 ones is equal to 28. You have to do in your classwork same way. 2, 3, 23 plus 5. You have to add 28 is equal to 2 tens. How many tens in 28? How many tens, children? Tell me. How many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens plus how many ones? 8 ones. 8 ones is equal to 2, 8, 28. Okay, children, are you understood? Next, 5, 7, 57 plus 2. 5, 7, 57 plus 2. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. 9 right. Okay, you can write down 9. Is there any add to down number? No. That's why you can write directly 5. Are you understood, children? Okay. Next, turn the page. Here, see, Add 27 and 11. Add 27 and 11. Write the numbers in columns. Like this you have to write columns. Columns mean T means tens, O means ones. Arrange the columns tens, ones. T means tens, O means ones. What is the number? 27. 27, 2 is tens place, 1 is 7. 7 is ones place. Okay? 2, 7, 27 plus what is the number? 27 and what is the number? 11. 11 you have to write. 1 is ones place, 1 is tens place, ones place. Okay children? Have to put the symbol also. 7 plus 1. First always we should start with ones place only. Always we should start with ones place. Okay children? 7 in the mind. Take one finger. 7 after 8. 8 you have to write. Very good children. Next, what is the up number? 2. 2 in the mind. What is the down number? 1 in the hand. Take one finger. 2 after 3. Yes. 27 plus 11 is equal to 3, 8, 38. 27 plus 11. 1, 1, 11 is equal to 27 plus 11 is equal to 3, 8, 38. Okay. Next, add the following. Here, what is the number? 8 to 82. What is the number? 8 to 82. 8, which place is in 8? 8 is tens place. That's why 8. 8 means 8 tens. 2 means 2 ones. 82 plus what is the number? 2. Always we should start with tens place or ones place. Very good children. Ones place. That's why what is the up number? 2. 2 in the mind. Take what is the down number? Take 2 fingers. 2 in the mind. Which number is in your mind? 2. 2 after 3, 4. 4 you can write down. Very good. What is the number? Which number is in tens place? 8. Is there any down number is there? No. That's why you can write directly 8. Okay. 82 plus 2 is equal to 84. Next. 6, 4, 64. 6 is in tens place. 4 is in ones place. 6, 4, 64. Always we should start with ones place only. 4. What is the up number children? 4. 4 in the mind. What is the down number? 2. Take 2 fingers. Which number is in your mind? Which number is in your mind? 4. 4 after 5, 6. 6 you can write down. Very good children. Is there any down number to add? No. That's why what is the number? 6. You have to write down directly 6. 6, 4, 64 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6, 66. Okay children. Like this you have to complete these two also. Yes. Next this one and this one you have to complete. Okay children. Next we are going to do these two sums. 2, 4, 24. 2 in tens place, 4 is ones place. 4 to 42. 24 plus 42. Always we should start with ones place or tens place. Tell me children. Always we should start with ones place. Very good. What is the up number? 4. 4 in the mind. What is the down number? 2. Take 2 fingers. Which number is in your mind? 4. 4 after 5, 6. 6 you can write down. Yes. Next, what is the up number? 2. 2 in the mind. What is the down number? 4 in the hand. You can take 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number is in your mind? 2. Which number is in your mind? 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 you can write down. 24 plus 42 is equal to, what is the number? 66. Very good, children. Next, 5, 55. 5 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. Next, plus 34. In 34, 3 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. Now we are going to add. Okay, children, always we should start with a ones place or tens place, tell me. Yes, very good, children. Ones place. First we should start with ones place. What is the number? What is the up number? 5. 5 in the mind. 5 in the mind. Take, what is the round number? 4. Take 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number is in your mind? 5. 5 after 4. Sorry, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you can write down. Yes, very good. Next, what is the up number? 5. 5 in the mind. What is the down number? 3. 3. Take 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. 5 after, which number is in your mind? 5. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 you can write here. Okay, children. 55 plus 34 is equal to 8, 9, 89. Are you understood, children? You have to complete this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay? All these complete and take a photo and send it to me. Okay, children? Thank you.